Hello friend, this is Vinay. So in case setting app is not working properly or it fails to open, then the best solution is to reset the setting app in Windows 11. But the question is how to do that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first of all, you need to click on this search icon available on the taskbar. Now you need to type settings. Now when it appear in the search results, you need to click on this app settings option. Now this will open the dedicated setting page for setting app in Windows 11. Now here you need to scroll down to reset section. Now click on reset button. Now this dialog box will appear that reads, this will permanently delete the app's data on this device including your preferences and sign in details. Click on it, wait for a few seconds. Once it's gone, confirms that you have successfully reset the setting app in Windows 11. Now if you open again, it will open without any issue. So that's it guys, I hope you find this video useful. If you really like it, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.